This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the screen capture now. First, join the meeting or open the chat where you'll record. Make sure you're signed in with the correct org account. Once in, confirm Teams has mic and screen permissions in your OS so audio/video record correctly. Click Share, choose Desktop or Window to define what you'll capture, and set camera on or off depending on whether you want picture-in-picture. Do this immediately so the recording begins with the correct source and no retakes are needed. Once you've shared your screen, choose the exact source, Desktop for full screen, Window for a single app, or PowerPoint for slides. This controls file size and focus. Then start recording from the meeting controls. Hit More Start Recording so Teams saves to OneDrive/SharePoint automatically. Make sure to toggle live captions or camera overlay if you want captions or presenter video. Also check participant roles so only intended people can present or annotate. Preventing acts to finish, stop the recording for more stop recording. Teams finalizes and uploads the file to OneDrive or SharePoint, then posts the link in chat. You can download the MP4, trim it in Microsoft Stream or the editor, and adjust sharing permissions for viewers. If you don't see audio or the file didn't save, first confirm OS and Teams permissions, update the app, and restart Teams. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, rejoin the meeting and record a short test clip to validate settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.